What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, you guys are probably familiar with the Techmaster carts, and they've been around for a while, and you want to talk about one of the best built Biomed field carts. Look at this. You got placement for the vacuum, work order processing if you've got a depot. We've got built-in mounting systems. But here's something a lot of people don't know. There's built-in electrical too. So there's power distribution, battery backups. Look at this. You can get options with mounted power strips on the top. You can get black, I believe, or white for the laminate tops. And actually, those aren't even laminate. Those are composite, and that's really high density. You can get lots of options, like these pockets right here for little accessories. I know that there's options for this guy as well, this mat. How cool is this? It's all precision machine, made here in America. They're assembled, and they ship them to you assembled, except for maybe some of the mounts. But they're amazing carts. And some of the cool things is that you can get them with precision inserts. So if there's particular tools that you have or accessories, you can get them with inserts built in. And these guys offer a whole bunch of logos and labeling. Look at this. So you know if something's missing. They can get pre-cut foams of various brands. Of course, the best for last. Look at that. Soft closed doors. How cool is that? The best of the best for service carts. But did you guys know that they also make collapsible field carts? And the crazy thing about this is these handles and everything, they're all large, rounded over. It's all that composite material. So it's super easy to clean, very easy to grip onto. Large caster wheels. You see that? Heavy duty, locking, steerable caster wheels on all of these carts. Makes it easy in hospital environments. You got junctions between buildings and power cords and stuff to roll over. Look at this. We got mounting hooks that you can move around. I love it. Check this out. This is going to be so awesome. Techmaster is also a distributor for Weha tools, which you guys know I absolutely love Weha tools. You can get them with cutouts like this. Again, so making itemizing of your tools super easy, nice and neat. It doesn't move around while you're moving your cart around. How cool is this? They got the dividers on this model. Again, these are options. They got a tablet stand. Wow. So some of you have this cart, and this is collapsible. It's a larger cart. It's got options like the expansions down here at the end. See this guy right here? Pops out, and you can get a table extension. Super cool. But did you guys know that very recently they came out with this guy? This is even smaller. See the handles down there on the floor pan? That is because this guy is for the road warriors. Handles 500 pounds. You can take this guy off, and it can be used like a dolly, like a flatbed dolly. It's got the mount pole right there. So this guy here allows you to do some cool stuff like the tablet mount. Has table extensions for this side. And you can see the grooves right here. You can get extensions for this side with the feet. So it is a supported system. And that allows you to create a mobile work center for doing like depot work. You can wheel all your stuff in and out. It all stows down here. Again, large locking casters. Man, these guys have the best casters. How cool is that? It's really neat that they also have it here so I can do a video on it. Wanted to do a video on this guy for a long time. I believe it came out in December. This is the first time I've got to see it in person. How cool is this? Super portable, collapses up. You grab it by the handle right here, throw it in your car, and be on your way. 500 pounds. That is massive when it comes to a dolly. My dolly at home doesn't even handle 500 pounds. So, very cool. I'm excited about this guy. It's a super compact cart, especially if you're going through like ICUs or something. You don't have that much real estate to move around. Maybe you don't have the space for a full-size service cart. This guy here is an awesome option. So, we have the Cadillac right here. Actually, they have bigger ones than this. They have double. So if you're looking for like a giant rollaway, they have that with the door dividers and everything. You can get many, many options. You're going to have to look them up. Techmaster carts, guys. They're the kings of Biomed service carts. Actually, any service cart, to be honest. Go ahead and check them out, Techmaster. I will leave a link in the video description so you can go check them out. There are so many options on these guys. You can see some of the table extensions right here. See that? They're on those hooks. You've got different types of locking options. You can get key fob. You can get a physical key. So you got digital locks or physical. Techmaster just keeps on innovating. And they are probably the best carts on the market. So if you're looking for the best, this is it. Easy to clean, easy to move. They sell parts for all their stuff. So if your cart breaks, you can get it fixed quite easily. Techmaster. Very cool. I will talk more about these guys in a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm here to help you guys with any of your test equipment needs, whether you need a quote or you just have a question about functionality. It's no problem. Just go ahead and shoot me an email at jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com or justin@betterbiomed.com. It's my pleasure to help you.